RTYVVI 6-speed sailing fan, round, with a night light, 3000, 4000, 6500 Kelvin. We're going to open it up, show you what you get inside the box. Protected by styrofoam top and bottom, wrapped in plastic, remote control, hardware, wire nuts, and instruction guide. Place in your 2 optional AAA batteries to the remote control with the 6 speeds, sailing fan controls. This is your wind that will fluctuate, a 1 and 2 hour timer, the Kelvin and light adjustment, the night light, the all on and light on, forward and reverse speed. In the sailing fan, we have a bracket that comes off with rubber cushions for anti-vibration. Hang up in the area you desire. We're going to hang up over here and lock down. With the fan, with the leash, find the area of interest and lock down. What we're going to do here is we're going to basically hook our leads up. And then we're going to lock down our fan. This is a 5-blade open sailing fan with lighting. It's for sailings 8 to 10 feet or more. It cools off 162 plus feet, square foot. We're going to turn the fan on, show you what it looks like. You're given a wall bracket for your remote control so you can hang up. You run into any trouble, you have a manual to go over. As we turn our light switch on and our light on, we have the fan lit up. With the remote control, we're going to hit speed number 3. We're going in a counterclockwise position for summer. If we want to switch to a clockward position for winter, the air would be drawn up. We're going to hit the reverse. We have a blue light. The fan slows down, stops, does a check, and reverses. Notice the design of the fan, like icicles all around with little beads on the bottom. We could dim down the lights by pressing and increase the light by pressing. We hit the center button going up and down. We have the 3 different Kelvins. We have the night light and the Kelvin light. We have the variable wind speed to imitate the breeze outdoors. We have the center button, which is your pair mode, as well as your off mode for fan. We have the light off, the light on, all off, all on. We'll increase the brightness level so you can see what it looks like and decrease it down. I hope this is a sailing fan that you are looking for your needs. It's an icicle look, LED. It has a blade that you could take off and clean, 5 blades. It's black, nicely designed for your needs. A kid's room, an adult's room, a bedroom, a master room, in the study, in the kitchen, in the dining room, wherever you need to put an indoor fan. Thank you for viewing.